Hey, Rudy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tech. And if you're new, welcome. So from the title, you can see that we're doing a review on P Louise makeup base or eyeshadow base. I'm really excited to try it because I just kept hearing about it over and over and over. And I'm like, let me see what the big hype is. And I'm also in a makeup group called Makeup Underdogs on Facebook, and everybody was spilling the tea. They're like, girl, yes, get it. Please make sure to like, comment,
and subscribe.
Because if you don't subscribe, you already know you cut, you ugly sis. So get with the program, click that red button down there, because if you haven't subscribed, it's still red.
Period.
So I'm going to review it, but I'm also going to try it out on camera as well. So it's kind of like my first expression. But all right, let's jump into this video. So it's going to be my first time using it because I literally just got it today. Like, I got a text message saying your package been delivered. I said,
bet.
So I went, saw it, picked them up. So these are the colors that I got. This is Winter Rose, Vivid Violet, and Touch of Frost. Y'all already know what color I'm gonna do today. I want to do blue, but I really feel like I should venture out and do maybe like pink or purple, but I don't know what to do. So
Yeah.
pink, purple, or blue? Okay. So we're gonna go with pink, which is Winter Frost. Oh, Winter Rose. I'm getting all these names confused. So you know how usually I go in with like either a white concealer or my regular concealer that I use for my face? Well, this is what that's for. It's very pigmented, but you can also use it, you know, you can use it for eyeshadow base. You can use it for eyeliner. You can use it as an eye look. You can use it for whatever you want. So I feel like, I heard it's very versatile, which is really good. So this is what the color looks like on my hands, and I'm gonna apply that to my eyelid. So far, this is freaking cute. I believe that these were 20% off because at first it was $10, but when I got to checkout, it was saying $6. I said, bet. I'm a smart shopper. If I can't get no sale, I ain't gonna buy it. Sometimes. Okay, we're gonna go with my James Charles Morphe palette, and we're gonna go in with this color here. Just trying to make sure that it's blended out pretty good, because although I love how the pink kind of stands out a little bit at the top, I don't want it to look like it was just placed there and I didn't try to blend or anything, because this side turned out magnificent. I love it. This side I'm still working on because it's giving me a little struggle. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in again with my P Louise, and we're gonna cut out my crease. Be honest, I'm not even done yet, and I already love this look, but I'm just gonna keep going because I know what I came here for. I had a purpose, so that's what we gonna do. You know what vibes I'm giving myself? Ice cream. Cause this is definitely some ice cream vibes, bro. Like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry film. This is cute. Thank God. At first I was looking at it like, I don't know about that. We are gonna go up with my eyeliner and wing it out. All right, you guys, so I did my eyeliner, but I feel like I want to do everything else off camera, so I'm gonna be back. All right, you guys, and this is the finished look.
Damn!
I'm gonna get y'all close up on my eyes so y'all can see how that turned out. I think it was really pretty. It worked out really good. I would recommend that y'all go on their website and go figure out if they still got that discount. And from the last time I checked, because I had my laptop over here, it said get 20% off. So I think that's how much it was. It was 20% off that I got. But please make sure to like, comment,
And subscribe.
because if you don't subscribe, you ain't with this pretty crew. You ugly. All right? You know you need it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.